POLYWOOD is a classic entrepreneur's story. It started in a garage. Our founder and current CEO saw plastic that needed to be recycled, and he saw Adirondack chairs. He put two and two together, and he built the first Adirondack chair from recycled milk jugs. Every piece of plastic that comes into our facilities from any source gets continuously recycled back into our plastic lumber until it's made into a beautiful lifetime piece of furniture.
With our previous ERP, we really had a system that was so siloed that no one really trusted the information.
We had gone past the bounds of what it could possibly do for us, and it couldn't scale with us.
The challenge with Sage was that the business was moving faster than the data. Data wasn't coming in real time, so business decisions were being made on data that might be a little stale.
With Acumatica, we've been able to use it as our central hub and integrate all of our other peripheral systems so that we have a continuous flow of information. One of the best benefits of that is just the trust, the transparency of Acumatica.
And then behind the scenes, we're taking advantage of Acumatica's APIs to create production orders and move entries and shipments within Acumatica.
I think the biggest benefit with Acumatica is the data getting to the stakeholders in a timely fashion through the use of generic inquiries, dashboards. Business leaders are seeing that data in real time and helping them make decisions instead of having to wait for reports at the end of the day or reports the next morning or having to shift through a whole bunch of data.
The thing I'd really say about Martin Associates that puts them above and beyond is they don't just have the technical know-how, which they do, but they get into the business and understand it so that they can partner and say, okay, you guys do things uniquely this way, here's how we can help you.
The complexity of the solution that they needed required some very complex integrations. We knew that Acumatica would be able to handle that. And along with their development team and our development team, it just seemed like a natural fit for them.
Acumatica can scale with us and we can scale with Acumatica. There's no business process or customization that Acumatica isn't able to support because we don't just have to use Acumatica out of the box. We can build on top of it.
With Acumatica now we're getting orders in a timely fashion. We have a better understanding of the order volume that's happening every day.
Acumatica is a system that is built to be grown into. It meets you where you're at today and offers you lots of runway to grow into it into the future.